Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best leather patches is probably one of the most versatile and affordable ways to repair and revitalize your beloved furniture, offering a blend of durability, aesthetics, and ease of application that can transform worn-out pieces into cherished heirlooms. From concealing minor scratches and tears to adding unique decorative accents, leather patches provide a simple yet effective solution for extending the life and enhancing the beauty of your furniture. Number 5. ONine Leather Repair Patch. It's the perfect solution for repairing damaged leather. Its classic size and texture make it easy to use and highly effective. This 3x60-inch leather repair tape is easily cut to any size you need. The soft, smooth texture blends seamlessly with your existing leather. Made of high-quality leather, it's designed for professional results. It's waterproof, wear-resistant, and strong enough to repair scratches, tears, and more. Simply clean the area, cut it to size, peel and stick. It's that easy to renew your furniture and give it a like-new look. Use it on sofas, car seats, jackets, almost anything leather. It's versatile enough to handle a variety of repair needs. We offer over 20 classic leather colors. Contact us for color matching assistance to ensure a perfect match for your project. What we like? It's a versatile leather repair tape that you can cut to any size you need. The application process is simple and straightforward, perfect for DIY enthusiasts. If you need a cost-effective solution for various furniture and leather goods, this is the one for you. What people say. The adhesive on this tape is incredibly strong. Once applied, it stays firmly in place, without any signs of peeling or lifting. It withstands daily use, including sliding on and off the couch and constant movement in the car, without any issues whatsoever. The generous 3x60-inch dimensions provide ample coverage for larger areas of damage. A single piece is often sufficient, saving both time and money. Another standout feature of this leather repair tape is its seamless blending ability. The color and texture match the original leather remarkably well, making the repaired areas virtually indistinguishable from the rest of the surface. Number 4. ONine Leather Repair Patch. Say goodbye to unsightly scratches and tears on your favorite leather goods. These easy-to-use patches are the perfect solution for quick and effective repairs. At 8 by 11 inches, it's the perfect size for most repairs. You can use it as is or easily cut it to fit any shape you need. Made with durable, high-quality leather and strong adhesive, it's built to last. It's also waterproof, wear-resistant, and easy to clean. No tools, no ironing, no waiting. Just peel and stick for a quick and seamless repair. Anyone can do it. From sofas and car seats to jackets and bags, it can revitalize a variety of leather items. Repair your treasured possessions easily. With over 20 classic colors available, you're sure to find the perfect match. Check our detailed page for color comparisons before ordering. If you have any questions about colors or need assistance, don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to help. What we like? This one is all about speed and convenience. Its premium leather material ensures durability and a professional finish. If you're looking for a quick and easy fix without any tools, this is your best bet. What people say. Worked great to fix a 14-year-old truck vinyl bench seat. You could see the foam, now you can't. It seems durable too. Worked great for tears on the bottom of sofa armrests from pups pushing paws under it. Can't even tell there was any damage unless inspecting very closely to see the edge of the patches. Appears durable. The patch is about 1/8 thick with very good adhesive. I expect this patch will hold up longer than the pleather that it is covering. Number 3. Numola Leather Repair Patch. Say goodbye to unsightly tears and scratches on your leather furniture. This innovative patch is easy to apply and blends seamlessly for professional-looking repairs. It comes in an 8 by 11 inch sheet, so you can use it whole or cut it to any size or shape you need. Find the perfect match for your furniture with its delicate texture. This is a trusted solution, perfected over time to ensure a strong, lasting bond. The adhesive is powerful, yet the patch remains flexible and comfortable. It's soft, thin, durable, waterproof, and easy to clean. This patch is designed to withstand daily wear and tear, providing a long-lasting repair. From couches and car seats to bags and jackets, it can fix a wide variety of leather items. It's also great for DIY projects and crafts. Unsure about the perfect shade? Send us a picture of your furniture, and we'll help you select the ideal match for a flawless repair. What we like? It's known for its long-lasting quality and professional results. The premium materials ensure a seamless blend with your existing leather. If you prioritize quality and a long-lasting repair, this is the ideal choice. What people say? Perfect match. Easy to work with. I bought this patch to repair an unsightly patch on my armchair. I was happy to see the patch covered the whole area and that it sticks very well. No cutting or measuring was involved. I used this patch on the rear bench seat of my 2009 Taurus. It was easy to apply, very workable. As in melded to the seat curves and stitching just fine. Number 2. Leather Repair Tape Kit. It's made from high-quality PU and OPP, offering great wear resistance and toughness. The strong adhesive ensures it lasts, and its soft, waterproof material is easy to clean. For best results, clean the surface before applying. After applying, use a hairdryer or heat to activate the adhesive and ensure a secure bond. This kit uses environmentally friendly materials and a harmless glue, creating a safe environment for you and your family. Simply cut it to the size you need and apply it to the surface. You can create various shapes for a perfect fit, refreshing your items in minutes. It's perfect for repairing tears and rips in leather, vinyl, and other upholstery. Use it on couches, cars, bags, almost anything. The kit includes one large repair patch that you can easily cut to fit your specific needs. If you're not completely satisfied, contact us. We're here to help you get the best results. What we like? This leather repair tape boasts superior waterproofing and a strong adhesive. It's incredibly easy to apply, even for beginners. If you need a waterproof and durable repair that's simple to use, this is it. What people say? Needed to patch a footrest on a reclining sofa. The sofa is a very good quality, cost over $4K. I was very disappointed when the faux leather cracked. The tape provides a great solution, easy to apply and has stayed firmly attached. I used this on an office chair arm that had been messed up sliding back and forth under my office work desk table. The material didn't stick good the first time, but I just pressed it back down and it's remained in place now for 2 weeks. Really simple to use. Just cut off what you need to cover the area, peel off the backing and press it to the area being covered. The arms on my office chair were peeling like something awful all the way around the arms. I attempted to color matches and think I did a great job. I cut the pieces for the arms and simply applied the very sticky leather with slow application and stretch. It could not have turned out any better. This is a product you can tell is quality and has great adhesive. At least starting off it seems to be very effective and aesthetically pleasing. Number 1. Leather Repair Patch. Say goodbye to worn-out furniture and hello to easy repairs. This large, self-adhesive patch is perfect for covering blemishes and restoring your favorite pieces. It's much wider than other patches, making it quick and simple to use. Its extra large size means you can cover even the biggest imperfections. This patch is scratch-resistant and waterproof, so it's built to last. It's also easy to clean, just wipe it down. Its soft texture blends in beautifully, hiding scratches and stains. You can even cut it to any shape you need. Instead of replacing your furniture, use this to revitalize it. It's a cost-effective way to bring new life to your favorite items. It's great for furniture, but also works on walls, bags, and more. The possibilities are endless. What we like? Its extra large size makes it perfect for covering larger areas. The self-adhesive design makes application a breeze. If you're looking for a budget-friendly solution for larger repairs, this is the perfect option. What people say? The self-adhesive, waterproof design made it super easy to fix my worn-out couch. The dark brown color matches perfectly, and the patch is both durable and flexible. It's large enough for bigger repairs and blends seamlessly. It has a nice thickness and was easy enough to work with. The color is pretty darn near identical to my dark brown leather couch. My couch looks almost new. This patch was incredibly easy to apply. The adhesive is strong and thick and it blends in surprisingly well. You can barely tell it's there now. Perfect for covering even the biggest tears on car seats. Waterproof, essential for withstanding spills and cleaning. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.